This is the elevator, 140 South Holy Parking, here in Medford, Oregon. Enter Otis. They seem pretty nice. Here are the buttons. There's the phone. 3,500-pound capacity. Let's see if we can go to 8. Nope. 7. You're at 7. Let's go back down to 1. A door closer and push button. I like that. The other one just came. Take it up to 7. Panel's a little loose. We're stopping at 4. Going down?
Yeah.
All right, so the first floor, I'm assuming? Yeah. No.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just an elevator enthusiast.
Oh, okay. I thought maybe you were fixing the elevator.
Have a good one. There it goes. And that'll be it.